Hey guys, we got a Destined Rivals pack we just found. Let's see, we just ripped this. Let's see what we could get. Let's see. Here it is, you guys. 6 packs. Hold up, Angel. Let's open one pack on camera. Let's see what we could get, you guys. Wish us luck. Jay, you think we'll get something good?
I'll rip these right next to you. Destined Rivals. After yours.
Oh, we can't even open it.
Record this. I'm a master.
We'll see, you guys. Wish me luck.
Oh, ho-ho.
Ho-ho, full art.
That's cool.
On camera. Nothing here. Let's do one more, you guys. Second one. Let's make it a minute long. Team Rocket's Grimer. Team Rocket's Tarantula. Misty's Magikarp. Ethan's Pikachu. Team Rocket's Archer. Toadster Strudel. Cynthia's Spirit Bomb. Yam. Amy's Hype. Ooh, a Team Rocket's Crobat.
That one's like $1.